Hey everyone, how's it going? With the new live-action Stitch movie coming out, I thought it would be fun to show you how to draw Stitch from the new movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Stitch from the new Lilo and Stitch movie coming out, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw lines just going to curve up and down. And then I'm going to go down and up here. Now we want to leave some space, and we'll do the same thing. Go up and down, and then we'll go down and up. Next, I'm going to draw like an oval shape towards the top of each eye. And then let's just go ahead and color in the eye here. We're just going to kind of fill this in with whatever it is you're coloring. Marker, pencil, whatever you're using. Now, underneath here, I'm going to draw a little line underneath each eye. Next, for the nose, let's draw a nice big sad face for the top. Then let's curve it in on each side. We're going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then we'll connect it on each side. And then I'm going to kind of color this in a little bit, just so we can kind of show where his little like nostrils are. Then we're going to make a little line down. And then let's make a couple little lines above the nose. Next, starting here, let's make the mouth. So let's start by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up and put a little curve on the end. Then we're going to make a nice big smiley face shape for the mouth. Let's make some little rounded teeth in here. They're kind of pointy, but they have a little bit more of like a rounded point on them. And we'll put a little curve in here for the tongue. Next, I'm going to bring this line up and then in. And I'm going to curve it right towards the middle, but we want to leave some space. When we get up here, we're going to make some little pointed lines for his hair. Next, we're going to bring this line down. We'll do a couple points for some fur and then bring it up here. Then I'm going to make some pointed lines that come down to the nose. And we're going to bring them over here, just to make them look a little bit more furry. And we'll even put a little line or two above his eyes. Now for his ears, we're going to curve this line up, and that's going to come back like this. And I'm going to bring this down just a little bit. And we're going to go in and then out for that little notch. And we can just bring it back here. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to kind of come up and then down to here. Now I'm going to bring this back here. And we'll do a little line here. Now let's make that other ear. I'm going to bring this line up. And we're going to come down, but we're going to make the notch lower on this side. And then bring it in. We'll do that same thing, just kind of come up and then run it right into the ear. Bring it down, and a little line down here. Now let's make the arms. Let's draw a line that comes out on each side. Then we're going to bring this line up on each side at an angle. I'm going to make a little bump like this and a little bump like this on each side. Then we'll curl this around and come down. Curl this around and come down. And we'll curve this around and come in. We can do that same thing here, kind of bring it around and down, bring it around and down, and then one more here. Next, we're going to bring this down. I'm going to put a couple little points to make it furry. Same thing, bring this down, and then a couple little points to make it furry. Next, I'm going to bring this line down on each side. We're going to make it a little furry on each end. And I'm going to bring this line down and in, and then kind of out and then in. Now for his feet, let's draw a line that's going to come down and in, and then down and in. Same thing over here. Bring this down and in, down and in, down and in. I'm going to bring this over and then up. So kind of bring this over and then up. Then we're just going to make a little line across. Now, starting here, I'm just going to make kind of like a pointed little line that's just going to kind of run down and up for his belly. And then I'm just going to color in some little shapes on here for his claws. So we're just going to put some claws on each one of the fingers. And then we can kind of color in the ends of the toes as well. And then for a little detail, I'm going to add just some little broken lines and some spots. And there you go. There is your drawing of Stitch from the new Lilo and Stitch movie coming out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.